Okay guys, I'm going to show you how we're going to just decorate this a little more and be a little more festive. So it's a cork holder, which is pretty cool to have to store all your corks in because you can always use those for later projects. Bought this at my local Walmart for like $8. You're also going to need the mini string lights, which I also got at my Walmart for $2 or $3. So pretty cheap project here. So open that up and put those to the side. You're also going to need a hot glue gun. This thing comes off, it's like a picture frame. Okay, so you just open it up back here, turn these. Now, what's kind of cool about this one is you actually can put your own image in there, but I kind of like the image that it came with, the stock image. So we'll keep that. So what we're going to do is add these string lights into there, just to kind of, decorate a little more and add a little more to it. Just untangling these. They always tie them together like this. Because trust me, you don't want these to get into a knot. It's not pleasant. So just pull it apart, like so. Straighten them out. And there you go. So now what we'll do is, remember what the bottom is, which is down here. So we'll kind of put this probably to the side. You can either double tape it, double-sided tape it right there or whatever. And we'll run the cable through here. And it should still be able to close just fine. So we'll start at the bottom. And we'll make sure we glue this down here. So we have our hot glue gun and get it ready. And there's some. So we'll just hot glue it. Okay, so sorry I kind of got off the camera there. So I just put little dots around. I kind of wanted it kind of messy and stringy so they can see the wires, because this is nice, pretty copper wiring. Now just pick out all your strings from the hot glue there. Kind of clean it up a little bit. If you want to kind of bend them a little more, you can. That's what I like about these type of string wires. They are very flexible. You can bend them, bend them up, and do whatever. Finish cleaning up here. And then kind of look through the other side here. Make sure you got it the way you like it. Which I like that way. Now, the trick is, this might be too thick. If it is, I'll show you how to cut down some of this. But let's try it. I'm going to glue that a little bit onto the back, just so it'll stay. There we go. Don't need much. Now remember, this is your bottom. This is the bottom of this. So flip it over like that. And let's see if it'll fit. Turn all these around again. So it might be too thick that cable. If it is, we'll cut a little piece of that out. And I'll help show you how to do that. But it looks to be it's going to be okay. You can do this with any kind of shadow box. Buy a shadow box and make it yourself. Just have a drill and cut the hole out. But it's whatever you like to do. Here you might have to push in just a little bit so you can kind of get that over it. But there we go. And here's your little power box here, and we'll put some batteries in it. Alright. And what's cool about this little wire set, it has a timer, so you can just put on a timer or keep it on. So let's flip it on. And let's see how it looks. There you guys go. Nice doctored up uncork and unwind box. As it fills up, it'll still shine through and of your corks and everything. Let's clean up that corner over there though, as you can see there. But we'll do that. I can do that before I finish it. But this is the final project. Very quick and easy and very cheap to do. And on the side here, you can either set it up like this and hide your little box behind it, your battery pack, so people won't be able to see it. But there we go. I really think it turned out pretty cool. And it's a very quick, easy project, and it's a great way to make this a little better and make it for a great gift for Christmas. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also share it across your social media platform. It helps to spread the word of my channel and get me views. And I also appreciate your guys' love and support. Thank you for always being here, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.